We'll guide you through how to find hidden photos on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you want to go and start sharing the hidden photos, or you just want to go and add them back so you can easily go and find them. We'll guide you through how this can be done. It's much easier than you probably think. So to go and get started, let's go and open up the gallery like so. So I've got some hidden photos here. What I need to do is go and press the back button in the top left to go back to the albums here. On this page, you then need to go to the top right. There you're going to see some different options, and you need to go and find the three dots and go and tap there. This will then go and reveal hide albums. You need to go and tap there. Now you can go and view the hidden albums. So what we need to do is go and switch these off to go and unhide the photos in them, and then they'll be added back. So we can go and switch off guide, for example. Now that's going to go and be added back. You can see the guide album is back, and also those photos are now back in here in my recents, which is going to be them all. So what I can then do is I can go and see them here, and I can then go and share them and do what I want to with them. That's it. That's how you can go and find hidden photos, and we've gone and hidden them as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more Android guides on the channel and more to come, so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for more.